Hello everybody, this is my sprint interval training. So snoring is most serious problem when we take a sleep. So it prevents our breathing, and besides of my partner will dislike to my snoring voice. So how can we increase the snoring? It's by sprint interval training. So snoring is the reason of our cardiorespiratory, like lung and heart, is more weak than we are young. And then we take a snoring, and it is very serious problem. Just as snoring can appear in front of our neck, but other thing is the same difficult to our body. So my suggestion is that you should do this short and explosive sprint interval training. So this exercise takes less calories, almost 60 kilocalories of our energy, very little as you see. But this is effective because this burning all of our ATP, not using our fat, but using our energy, and then our insulin receptor ability is increased. At that time, our body state is more better. So day by day, you doing this short and explosive exercise, your visceral fat will decrease, and you become more healthier, and your snoring will disappear. So please do sprint interval training and take a good sleep in your life. Thanks for watching.